Confession time. You just uploaded a video and you are like, this is it. This is the video that is going to blow me up. This is my viral video. I am quitting my 9 to 5 job tomorrow. Fast forward later to 48 hours. You checked your analytics and drum rolls, bing, 17 views. Yes, 17 views. And 10 out of those 17 views are from you refreshing your page every 5 minutes like a proud parent. So what's going on? Did YouTube shadow ban you? Did YouTube blacklist your channel? Well, do well to stick around to the end of this video because today we are going to be breaking down the real reasons why YouTube isn't recommending your videos and how to finally fix it. First of all, let's kill some myths. No, YouTube doesn't hate you personally. For those of you thinking, maybe YouTube just hates me. No, the algorithm isn't some evil robots hiding in Silicon Valley laughing at your channel. And no, you don't need to sacrifice your Wi-Fi router to the content gods for views. Should I tell you the truth? The truth actually is that YouTube is actually very simple. For everybody saying YouTube is hard, YouTube is actually very simple. It's like a friend who only hangs out with people that makes them feel good. If your video makes viewers happy, entertained, or informed, YouTube will push it. If not, well, it gets ghosted. That's what happened to your videos. Like when people aren't reacting positively to your videos, then YouTube just suddenly pack it one side. Here is how it really works. When you upload a video, YouTube gives it a tiny test run. It shows your video to a small group of viewers, kind of like a movie trailer screening, like just screen through. If people click on it, watch and stick around, YouTube goes like, aha, this video is fire. Let's show it to more people. But if people click off faster than clicking skip ads, that ads that actually come out when you're watching a video, like then people are clicking off more than the way they click on that skip ads, on a 30-second commercial, right? YouTube takes the hints and stop pushing it. So it's not about fighting the algorithm. It's about winning the first test audience. Do you guys understand? It's about winning the first test audience. Okay, now let me take it slow to make you guys understand it better. Let's break it down. The main suspects, why your videos are stuck in YouTube jail. Reasons 1, weak thumbnails and title. If your thumbnail look like it was designed in Microsoft Paint during a blackout, nobody is going to click. Titles and thumbnails are like the trailer. If the trailer sucks, nobody is going to watch the movie. We all see the trailer, like whenever you want to watch a movie, sometimes it's the trailer that judge. So just see your thumbnail as a trailer that you're putting out there for people. That's what people will even see before even seeing your title. A lot of people see the thumbnail before even viewing what your title is about. Reason number 2, boring introduction. If your video starts with, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, you have already lost them. People want a hook in the first 10 seconds. No hook, no watch time. Reason number 3, wrong audience targeting. If you're posting cooking videos, then suddenly you started to upload a video on how to repair car engines, YouTube is like, wait, who should I show this to? Like, that way you're actually confusing the algorithm. The algorithm does not know what you're actually doing with your channel. Reason number 4, low retention. If your viewers are dropping off halfway, YouTube assumes your video isn't engaging. Watch time is the king. Reason number 5, inconsistency. Posting once in January, then ghosting until August. YouTube doesn't know what to do with you, and neither does your audience know, because your audience too are confused. You just show up whenever you feel like it. All right, enough roasting. It's like I've roasted you guys enough. So let me calm down. Let's now talk. Let's talk about how can we fix this. Okay, if this is the problem, what is the way forward? Step 1, upgrade your thumbnails and title. Think of using bold text, eye contrast, emotional faces, and curiosity. Don't clickbait. Step number 2, master the hook. Your first 15 seconds should tell the viewer exactly why they should watch the rest of your video. Start with a problem, tease the solution, and then boom, fire. Step number 3, focus on retention. Cut out the fluff. Edit like your audience has no time at all to actually watch your video. Step number 4, build consistency. Even once a week is enough. The algorithm and your audience need to know you're reliable. Step number 5, study your analytics. Your retention graph is gold mine. See where people drop off. That's your weak spot. Fix it in your next video. Think of YouTube like a picky restaurant waiter. Your video is the dish. If it looks delicious, which is your thumbnail, people will order for it. If it tastes amazing, which is your content, they finish the plate. If they come back tomorrow to order again, that is consistency. The waiter recommends it to everyone else in the restaurant. If your video is cold, messy, and served on a paper plate, YouTube is not going to be putting on that special bird. Like, you guys just need to understand how it works. So here's the deal. YouTube isn't ignoring your videos. You just haven't given it enough reason to recommend them. YouTube is not yet fully convinced why they should recommend your video. And that's why you need to convince YouTube that it has to recommend your videos by fixing your thumbnails, making sure you put a very strong hook at the beginning of the video, study your retention, and post consistently. And suddenly, YouTube goes from cold shoulder to your biggest hype man. Now, guys, please do well to smash that like button like it owes you money. Subscribe for more tips and drop a comment below telling me the biggest mistake you have been making. Don't worry, I've made them all too. I will see you in the next one, hopefully on YouTube recommendation page. All right, see you again in our next video. Bye, guys.